The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, southern Warren County in Middle Tennessee, northern Coffee County in Middle Tennessee, southern Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles southwest of Woodbury, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McMinnville, Manchester, Morrison, Centertown, Bradyville, Beech Grove, and Summitville. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 94 and 96, and between mile markers 99 and 112. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. What? Flooding caused by